Today we have a very interesting problem to solve. The two MIT mathematics grads bump into each other at Fairway on the Upper West Side. They haven't seen each other in the last 20 years. The first grad says to the second, "How have you been?" The second one says that great, I got married and I have 3 daughters now. First, really, how old are they? And the second one says the product of their ages is 72 and the sum of their age is as same as the number of the building. He says, okay, I still don't know, which means कि ये particular statement उसके लिए work नहीं करी. And the second one says this oldest one just started to play the piano and my oldest is the same age. Now if 3 daughters have product of 72 in their ages, we can route it in a manner that if ages are A, B and C, the total sum would be 72. And अब कौन-कौन से तरीके से 3 numbers को use करके 72 as a number develop किया जा सकता है? Let's try to find out that. So we can have 1, 72, 1, 2, 36 and going forward we can also have 3, 3 and 8. ऐसे बहुत सारे numbers बन सकते हैं. And now if we divide 72 into the product of 3 numbers, we are getting ages in the form of product of 3 and we are getting sum of ages in one particular number which is a 2-digit number. Now if you see, there is one particular case where the product of age is actually by 3 different numbers but the sum of age comes around for same number which is 14. The first one was still not able to find out कि क्या exactly age हो सकती है daughters की. So which means कि वो same number पे confuse हो रहा है 14 and 14. So either the age could be 266 or the age could be 338. But when the first one says that the oldest one is of the same age, it tells that the oldest one and the second oldest one will not have the same age. So they are not twins. And ऐसा केस हमारे पास सिर्फ एक है which is 338. So the answer comes around 338. ऐसी पजल को सॉल्व करने के लिए you should pick on Project Euler, Brilliant.org and Geeks for Geeks.